If you're working with Adobe Premiere Pro and suddenly find yourself with no sound, don't panic. Today I'm going to walk you through some common fixes to get your audio back on track. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's check a few basic things to rule out common issues. Ensure your hardware settings are correct. Go to Edit and select Preferences, then click on Audio Hardware. Make sure that your audio device is selected on the default input and default output. If you're using external speakers or headphones, make sure they're properly connected and selected. If your device isn't showing up, try restarting Premiere Pro on your computer to refresh the connections. Next, check your audio track settings. Sometimes the issue can be as simple as the audio track being muted or the volume being turned down. Look at your timeline and ensure that the audio track is not muted. You'll see a little M button on the left side of the audio track. Make sure it's not activated. Also, make sure the volume levels are turned up. You can adjust the volume by dragging the line in the audio track up or down. Verify Premiere Pro's audio output settings. Go to Sequence and select Sequence Settings. Under the Audio tab, make sure the audio sample rate matches the settings of your audio hardware. Mismatched sample rates can sometimes cause audio playback issues. Standard sample rates are usually 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz, so make sure those are correctly set. Clear your media cache. Sometimes corrupted cache files can cause issues with playback. Go back to Edit, select Preferences, then Media Cache. Click on Delete to remove old cache files. After clearing the cache, restart Premiere Pro and see if the issue is resolved. And there you have it. Those are some of the most common fixes for when you're experiencing no sound in Adobe Premiere Pro.